Hey guys, welcome to the channel. We are going to be chainsaw carving a bear out of this black walnut log. It is a little bit different than usual. We tend to do 2 camera angles on tutorials, but this is just a time lapse. Trying to do a lot of detail in this. I end up doing airbrushing work and some other detail work, and you guys will be able to see that final product at the end. I appreciate everybody being here. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up, hit subscribe, hit that bell, hit all so you guys don't miss future uploads or lives where we chainsaw carve live. I answer questions and we just have that time to hang out. Appreciate all my members. We got quite a few of you who've signed up on different tiers being members, helping support the videos and the channel and everything like that, and I really do appreciate it. We just got over 25,000 subscribers, so that's a big deal. I appreciate it. Thank you so much, guys. Hope you enjoy the video. Feel free to leave a comment. Have an awesome day. Just want to say I appreciate you guys watching. Listen, if you guys want to get one of those Carver Starve shirts, or maybe you want to get some channel merch, you can check that out in the shop tab. Little shopping bag, or it says shop tab, pops up on the screen. You guys click that, go there. We got t-shirts, stickers, coffee cups, all kinds of stuff, from the channel logo to Starve or Carve to Keep Gripping and Ripping. A bunch of different logos and things that I've designed and been able to put on there for you guys. Those purchases help support the channel and the videos and things directly, and I do appreciate it. If you haven't already, be sure to give the video a thumbs up, hit subscribe, hit that bell, hit all, and hope you guys really enjoy this carve. All right, you guys ready? You want to see that bear done? If you're still here, be sure to give me a thumbs up, hit subscribe, hit that bell, hit all. Take a look. Here he is, all finished up. Leaving that bare black walnut. Added some color to the base. A little bit of airbrushing on the nose, nothing crazy. Hand painted eyes. Love the walnut color. Can't wait to show you guys the eagle out of walnut too. Just about finishing that piece. Couple more on the card to do, but super happy with how this bear come out. Let me know what you guys think. Give me a like, leave a comment. Be sure to hit subscribe, hit that bell, hit all, so you don't miss future carvings and future uploads and lives when we chainsaw carve live. Got the nails. This is cut right through. Kind of like a stump. The bark's falling off. Did a little bit of green even. Trying to make it look like a little bit of moss growing, you know. When you look at black walnut tree bark, because I was recreating kind of like walnut tree bark, has what looks like a little bit of moss growing sometimes. So going for that. Cut through here, right? Got our paws. Really, really like this piece. Can't wait to get this whole set done. Hope you guys have enjoyed the carving and enjoyed the video. And have an awesome day. Thanks for watching.